Okay, this goes for pretty much all Android phones, okay? Basically, you have an issue where you cannot unlock your phone. You cannot get into your phone. Maybe you forgot your swipe code or your PIN code or your password, or maybe even your thumbprint is not working. I mean, who knows? Maybe you have a scar or some kind of cut and it's not registering, and you even forgot your backup PIN number, your backup password as well. The only way around that, guys, is do a factory reset. And it's actually a hard reset using your key combination, okay? And even if there is a crack to get into your phone, it really shouldn't be posted on the internet. And, you know, I mean, I remember back in the day, there was a crack for, I think it was the Samsung Galaxy S3, where if you push like emergency number and *99, you did some kind of swipe, you were able to get in. But with an update, it was fixed, it was corrected right away. Anyways, you got to do a factory reset to get into your phone, okay? So hopefully you have some kind of backup, and then if you do the backup, you're able to retrieve all your data later on after we do this factory reset, okay? So what you want to do first is go ahead and power off your phone. Power it off. Now, I'm going to show you, this is a Samsung Galaxy S5 here, but most of your Android phones is going to have, to do a factory reset using hard keys, it's going to require a 3-key combination, okay? Most of you guys are going to be able to do that on your phones, okay? So once the phone is powered off, there's 3 buttons that you want to press and hold, okay? It's the volume up button, the home button, and the power button, okay? So press these 3 buttons, press and hold right now. And you want to press and hold it, and you want to continue to hold it until you see like an Android guy, or you see like blue text on the top, okay? Okay, so now we are in the Android System Recovery menu here. And what you want to do here is you want to scroll down to where it says wipe data / factory resets. And to scroll down, volume down rocker. Scroll up, volume up rocker. So we're just going to go down, wipe data / factory reset. To select it, you press the power button. Now it's basically asking you to reconfirm. Are you sure you want to delete everything? You scroll down, use the volume down rocker, go all the way down to where it says yes, delete all user data. So then I'm going to press the power button to OK it. Now it says wiping data, formatting data. Now for some of you guys, okay, let me just start off from here. Okay, so now it's what's highlighted, it says reboot system now. That's exactly what we want. So we're going to go ahead and press the power button to select it. Now everything on the phone is going to be wiped out. It's going to be format clean as if I bought the phone brand new. Okay. Now this 3-key combination will work for most of you guys. Some of you guys, depending on what phone you have, there may be like a 2-key combination. Like for instance, like this HTC phone is a 2-key combination where you have to hold, I think it's a volume down button and a power button, and do a couple other steps before you get into the Android recovery menu. But you can just look on that on YouTube if you guys have, if this 3-key combination is not working for you, okay? So what I'm doing now is I'm just waiting for it to format completely and boot up my computer as if it was brand new. And once my phone boots up, it's going to bring me into the welcome screen where I first selected my language. And then from there, if you do have a backup, you'll be able to retrieve all that data going through your setup process. If you don't have a backup, then everything you have is long gone. So I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward here.